Hi guys. My voice is down, yes, because I'm not very happy. Why? So I'm in my client's apartment. I just finished my makeup on her. Today is the day 2 with her for her mom's burial. Yeah, she just left, but I'm just here to pack up all of my stuffs and rest a bit before I leave to join them at the burial. But you guys, I'm not happy because I didn't get good pictures before she left. I didn't get good videos before she left. And that was very sad. That's very sad. That's very sad. For every makeup artist, that's one of our nightmares. We don't want to finish working and not get evidence because we go explain tire. You guys, Charlotte Tilbury setting spray that I got a while ago. You people, I never used this thing reach 10 times. I've not used it on 10 people. I've not used this on 10 persons. I think this is like the 6th time or 6th or 7th time I'm using this thing that I got 36,000 naira. Look at what is remaining on less than 10 people. So it fell on a job I had. It fell and then something fell off from here and it's not able to spray well. So I will transfer it into this small container and spray on it. Man, now so it finish, or it's just because I'm using another container. And then I realized that this one too, it sprays it a bit too much compared to if I was using the original spray. But I want to believe that it's because the spray stuff got spoiled, and because I have to transfer it to another spray bottle that sprays a lot more than this one. I want to believe that that is the reason why it has finished on time, because why am I buying 36,000 to use on like less than 10 persons, and this is what I have remaining. Like, I'm almost gone. Once this one finishes and I transferred it here, it has finished. It's expensive. Anyways guys, let me just pack up and see you guys soon. And that makeup really came out nice. I'll leave a clip of the video somewhere on the screen so you guys can see. But I couldn't take a picture of her with her outfit and her earring and all. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm done packing. All right, that's my stuff. Everything has gone back into where they're supposed to be. My chair, my box, and yeah, let me quickly give you guys a quick apartment tour of this place. So here is located in Obanikoro on the mainland here in Lagos State. All right, so if you see and you like and you might want to need an apartment, then you want to check them out and confirm their prices. So this is the entrance door, right? The entrance door, and then to my right is the kitchen. It has this beautiful see-through door. This kitchen, they have quite some things if you want to cook, pots and all of that, gas cooker, sink, plates and all. I said all. And all, okay? And then from here you come into the living area, right? Let me zoom out. Yeah, so this is what the living area looks like. I like that this place is actually clean. Okay, it looks clean and comfy. It's a bit scattered because I mean we have been living in this place since last night. So over here is the visitors toilet. I guess if you have someone come visiting you and you don't want to take them up, this is a cute restroom for them to use. You guys, these guys have very nice paintings, I won't even lie. Then from here we go upstairs. I almost fell. We go upstairs to where the bedrooms are. So this place is a 3-bedroom apartment. There's a wardrobe here, okay, and then the staircase that goes up here. So this is the first bedroom. It has wardrobes here as well. Enough space for you to, you know, keep your stuff. Like I said, these guys have very nice paintings. And this is what the first bedroom looks like. And that's me right there. I really like this mirror. It's fine. It's such a fine mirror. Then over here they have their washroom. Red. Not a fan of red, but yeah, that's what that place looks like. It actually looks neat, okay? It looks clean. So out of the first bedroom and into the second bedroom, okay? This is what the second bedroom looks like. The lights are not on, and I don't want to on them. So yeah, toilet of the second bedroom. Mini wardrobe there. And this is the master bedroom, right? Just gonna show you guys. Brief. Oh, you guys, this place is dark. Lights, I don't know, but yeah, this is master bedroom, and that's the toilet here. Okay, yeah, that's it. Then from here we go out back to the corridor, and then this staircase here I think leads to the rooftop. I don't think I want to go all the way, but it leads up there to the rooftop. From yeah, I'm just gonna go back upstairs. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back downstairs. I'm gonna run a quick errand, and then I'll come back to join the reception of the program. You guys, I don't know if I did an intro for this vlog. If I did not do it, I'm sorry. Alright, so let this be your intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you always stopping by. And it's the first time here, you're super welcome to also join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notification so you get notified every time I upload a video on here. I'm Children's Okoronkwo, a Lagos-based bridal hairstylist, makeup artist, and fashion enthusiast. And on this channel, I film about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. You guys, I'm tired and hungry. Let me go and get some things done and grab something to eat. See you guys later.
channel. My name is Bola Saka. It's based in Lagos, Nigeria. Guys, I am smiling.
You guys, I just met Bumsy's spot on YouTube. I'm not quick bring out my camera to do content, but yeah, I'm on my way to my client's room now. Let's go. Okay, we're here now. Guys, hair is so beautiful. So I'm going to room. Okay, that's 702. I think has to be this way. Guys, see me with my plenty load. I had to pack so light because I don't have someone to assist me today. So yeah, just my chair. My light is inside this bag, and I packed lightly in my backpack. But you guys, I look so pretty. If I do say so myself. Let's go to my clients. I'm sure we are close, you guys. The rug on this floor feels so soft. So soft. Okay, I think we're here. Hi guys, I'm back home. And yeah, no pictures, no video, cause I can't have it. I think I mentioned it on this channel before. I have some customers that I can't take their pictures or their videos after the job. Okay, but you guys, it's fine, it's okay. If you're that kind of client, call me. Why not? I'll do your makeup. I don't need to stress you about pictures or videos. All right, anything to satisfy my customers. Okay, but yo, you guys, that makeup was the bomb. I was tripping on that look. Like, that look was beautiful. If only I could take pictures and videos of that look. Instagram no go rest. But the look came out so nice. I love the brows, I love the skin, I love the eyes, I love the lips. Like, everything was, I was like, let me do this work. Like, I was tripping on the look. Like, you guys, I'm a fantastic makeup artist. If you're not booking me yet, my sister, try me, okay? Try me. And I promise you, a trial will convince you. I'm a fantastic makeup artist and bridal hairstylist. I lay frontal, I customize frontals, clean frontals. I style bridal hair. I'm a makeup artist, a fantastic one. See, those who are close to me, they know that I don't set out to do something if I'm not prepared to do it. You guys, I'm prepared for this work. I'm good. When I say I'm good, I'm not among those who do makeup that's not so nice and they are just saying they are good up and down. You guys, when you see my work, you know that I'm good. If you're not following me on Instagram, my business page is at _ Nora Beauty _ all fonts are in small cases, so _ Nora Beauty _ on Instagram. Go and see my work. Don't scroll down. No, if you scroll down, you see some pictures that I'm not proud of, but I just left them there on my page for the sake of, memories, to see where I started from, and see how far I've grown. Okay, but you guys check out my page, all right, my recent jobs, and you see that I'm good, and that's enough reason for you to book me for your next event. All right, I full ground for Lagos. Anywhere in Lagos, I'm ready to come and meet you there. I travel as well, so no problems. Book me, guys. You'll be glad you did. Brides, photo shoots, any events. I don't just come and do your makeup and get out. No, I ensure that your whole outlook comes together. Okay, if you need advice or helps with like your hair, how to style it, your outfit, jewelries that goes to see, I'm that girl. All right, I don't just do your makeup and leave. I do your makeup and ensure that everything is in sync, because I have a fantastic eye for fashion. Anyways, that's just a quick plug. But yeah, I'm hungry. I'm tired. There's service tomorrow, you guys. It's December. I'm supposed to be doing vlogmas this year, but not lie, you can't even work with me. Vlogmas for me cannot work. Okay, work full ground, and I don't want to start it and then no, you understand. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue with my normal weekly vlogs, alright, or like a day in my life kind of vlog. I might title some as vlogmas, but it's not just me going to do like the 1 to 25 or 26 of December. But yeah, welcome to December, you guys. Yeah, tomorrow is Thanksgiving service in church, first service, first Sunday in the month of December, and I'm going to turn up. Okay, my outfit that I couldn't wear for my sister-in-law's wedding, I'm going to be rocking it to church tomorrow. I just have a heart of gratitude. All right, things did not work exactly as I planned it. All right, they did not work exactly as I planned it, but I'm grateful to God, because no, this year I grew. Like I grew. Myself, I know, say I grew for this year all round, like in every aspect of my life. I knew that I grew. Okay, in business, financially, spiritually, business wise, personally, like personal development. I did better in in a lot of things this year. Okay, I can't even start. I'm grateful to God, all right, and I'm just going to, boogie down. Oh yeah, hey, my Jesus, only you feel. Oh yeah, hey, my Jesus, only you feel. Oh yeah. Anybody fuck about it? I love that song. If you guys have not seen it on YouTube, what have you been seeing? It's a praise medley by Blessing Lopez on Instagram, and Kathy's Glam or something like that on Instagram. She's a fantastic makeup artist as well. She's a big makeup artist, all right, and she's also on YouTube.